The ClassFlow Marketplace is one of our users' favorite areas within the site. Marketplace contains both free and paid ready-made resources that you can use with your students, saving you valuable time. Once in the Marketplace, you may use the filters on the left to help you narrow down content. In addition to ClassFlow resources, the Marketplace also contains a variety of file types, including ActiveInspire flip charts, as well as PDFs and PowerPoints. You may also use keywords in the search bar. Click on a thumbnail to learn more about a resource. From here, you can preview an asset before adding it to your ClassFlow account, and even use the arrows to flip through a lesson. You may add it to your resources, or deliver it directly to your students and begin interacting with all the tools in Lesson Presenter. We encourage you to publish, rate, and review resources, and even to share with others using these options.